Hi guys, this is Vince Ong, your Megaworld agent, and for this video, I'm going to tour you around our newest model unit for 9 Central Park. This is located in Northwind Global City, wherein we are just 5 minutes away going to Philippine Arena, only 20 minutes away to the upcoming New Manila International Airport, and we're only 20 kilometers away going back to Metro Manila. So this is situated in Marilao, Bocaue, Bulacan. So if you're planning for your Airbnb property, let's check this out. So this is the studio unit in 9 Central Park that ranges 34.5 square meters to 36.5 square meters. So upon entering your unit, you would be greeted by your kitchen, which is enclosed. So it would be delivered with granite countertop, soft close kitchen cabinets with drawers, and we would be having provision for the appliances such as the cooktop, range hood, and the fridge over here. On this side, you would be having sink and faucet from Frank. And this would be your two-seater dining area for the studio unit. And this would be your spacious living area for the studio unit. And you would be having an access to the balcony as well. So all units in 9 Central Park will be smart home equipped. So meaning, your lights can be controlled by a mobile phone. And at the same time, we would be having a digital lock set on the main door. And this would be your sleeping area for the studio type. You would be having a modular closet over there, your provision for window type AC, and at the same time, you would be having a bay window. So this is the first time in our project to have this type of window wherein you can put your office area or even a bench. So you can enjoy the views 9 Central Park can offer. And this would be the master toilet and bath. You have the provision for washer dryer. You would be having mirror, lavatory, water closet, partial glass enclosure, and a shower set. We offer studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, bi-level 3 bedroom, and a twin flex unit that is a 2 bedroom with a studio type, and we're offering no spot down payment, 5 years payment plan at 0% interest. If you're interested with 9 Central Park, we can schedule an actual site viewing, a model unit viewing, or a Zoom presentation. You can reserve your own prime unit for only 50,000 pesos, and if you have any questions or concerns, my details are down below. So see you on the next video. Bye-bye.